Imagine a garden flourishing indoors, its roots submerged not in soil but in water, teeming with life-giving nutrients. This is the magic of hydroponics, a method of growing plants without soil, and it's easier than you think to create your own stunning indoor water garden. Forget about weeding, pests, and the limitations of traditional gardening. Hydroponics brings the joy of gardening indoors, offering a low-maintenance, clean, and efficient way to grow a variety of plants. From herbs and vegetables to beautiful flowering varieties. Indoor water gardens, also known as hydroponic gardens, are a fascinating and rewarding way to bring the outdoors in. They offer a unique blend of aesthetics and functionality, transforming your living space with lush greenery while providing fresh, homegrown produce. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, hydroponics offers a simple and accessible entry point into the world of indoor gardening. Setting up your own indoor water garden is a straightforward process that requires minimal materials and effort. To begin your hydroponic journey, you'll need a few essential items: a container, growing medium, nutrient solution, and of course, your chosen plants. The container can be anything from a simple glass jar to a dedicated hydroponic system, depending on your ambition and the number of plants you wish to grow. For your growing medium, opt for inert materials that provide support and aeration to the roots, such as clay pebbles, perlite, or coco coir. Avoid using soil, as it can lead to rot and bacterial growth in a water-based system. Once you have your container and growing medium ready, it's time to prepare the nutrient solution. This is crucial for providing your plants with the essential minerals they need to thrive. You can easily find pre-mixed hydroponic nutrients at your local garden center or online. Follow the instructions on the package to mix the solution to the correct concentration. Now comes the exciting part: planting. Gently remove your chosen plants from their pots, carefully rinsing off any soil clinging to the roots. Place the plants in your chosen containers, ensuring the roots are submerged in the nutrient solution. You can use net pots to suspend the plants within the container, allowing the roots to dangle freely in the nutrient-rich water. Voila! Your indoor water garden is ready to flourish. The beauty of hydroponics lies in its versatility. A wide array of plants thrive in water, offering you a diverse palette to create your indoor oasis. For beginners, leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale are excellent choices, as they are fast-growing and forgiving. Herbs, too, flourish in hydroponic systems, filling your kitchen with the aroma of fresh basil, mint, or coriander. If you're feeling adventurous, why not try your hand at growing tomatoes, strawberries, or even chili peppers in your water garden? These fruiting plants require a bit more care and attention, but reward you with a bountiful harvest. For a touch of elegance, consider adding flowering plants like peace lilies, Chinese evergreens, or spider plants to your hydroponic setup. These plants not only add visual appeal but also help purify the air, creating a healthier and more vibrant living space. Section 4. Keeping your water garden thriving: care and maintenance tips. Maintaining your indoor water garden is surprisingly simple, requiring minimal effort to ensure your plants remain healthy and productive. The key is to monitor the nutrient solution regularly, topping it up with fresh water as needed and replacing it entirely every 2 to 3 weeks. This ensures your plants have a consistent supply of nutrients to support their growth. Additionally, keep an eye on the pH level of the nutrient solution, as this can affect the plant's ability to absorb nutrients. Most plants prefer a slightly acidic pH between 5.5 and 6.5. You can easily adjust the pH using pH up or down solutions available at garden centers. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of pests or diseases, addressing any issues promptly to prevent them from spreading. Section 5. Reap the rewards: enjoying your indoor oasis. Creating and maintaining an indoor water garden is a rewarding endeavor that brings the joy of gardening indoors, regardless of space constraints or weather limitations. It's a fascinating way to connect with nature, learn about plant science, and enjoy the fruits of your labor, literally. The fresh, homegrown produce harvested from your hydroponic garden is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients, making it a healthy and sustainable addition to your diet. So why not take the plunge and dive into the world of indoor water gardening? It's a fun, educational, and rewarding experience that will transform your home with the beauty of nature while providing you with fresh, healthy produce year-round.